Director General Ketanat Pulit Kajala Megalia Rajiv Mehta minta kasi kasiter ujeli ulong Ketanat kamla aban khang laragi seng leno niki weki seng kipen banai ke jingi ki link baki social media kum ka Facebook bat kilat pen sapyan khubor haki internet bat kum ju ulong banak leng jung shimla ajingmut ya ka jing shari ka bahajrong du kami gali high court bakadi ban khang ye gilat patai khubor ban penmi khubor halor ki jing pen banai ki Kajingkren kejong DGP kalong hakasngi bagi lat patai kubor kilalit banyak kenduk kerpang yu ban tip halor ka egijing temu kejong u ban ajeng mut bagadi ban khang ye lat patai kubor ban numpen mi ye ki kubor halor ki jingpen banai ki kejong ki seng phalang ka bakan tup ye ki seng leno hakani kejing kenduk badu DGP kejing tai ni hapdeng uni he pulet bagi nong thok kubor kalalong ka baklut bha haringkat kejing pen phainia ka bamar kleng badru kejing pen rem ye DGP.
I said for an organization like HNLC, which is a defunct organization, you should, it must be there.
No,
word to
yes,
word.
Not defunct, it said something about doodling.
No, I just said it's a defunct organization. There are just 30-40 of them operating from Bangladesh. However, here the impression is still because of the fear psychosis. Therefore, it is a request, such organizations, there should not be publicity given to them.
I disagree with you when you say it's a defunct organization.
No, that's your view.
No, it's not my view. It's the police. Just listen, let me complete.
It's my view that it's a defunct organization.
It's your police, your district police view that it's not defunct. Why it's not defunct? I will tell you. Just 4-5 days ago, they arrested one.
My operation. Therefore,
that is one.
The point is, Tilak, defunct doesn't mean you'll have nobody, but they don't have the strength anymore to function the way they were doing in late 1990s or early 2000. In that context, it's defunct. Don't think there's not an individual. I don't think you understand the meaning of it.
No,
there can be one or two individuals trying to operate, and yet they were apprehended.
Okay,
right?
If it is defunct, why they have to ban for 5 years?
5 years.
5 years. Central government is banning for 5 years. You disband. You have disbanded them. So why you want to?
We have not disbanded them.
And then you are saying you are defunct.
Disbanded nahi. The defunct, they are not effective the way they used to be.
Yeah. So what media has to do with that?
Well, if you go on giving the publicity, Jose,
is it not a historical blunder that you have said in the court that media should be banned?
Okay.
Is it not a historical blunder?
Jose, I've said it and I stick by it.
Yeah.
You can't come here and fight with me.
No, I'm not fighting.
You can, Jose, you can have a view.
Okay.
I need to respect that.
Okay.
I can have a view.
Okay.
I wish you would respect that.
Okay.
If you disagree with me, there's a recourse to you.
Okay.
And the recourse is go to court.
Okay.
It's a court. I am not telling no, I want it. I am suggesting the court is agreeing to it.
Okay, let me give an example. The next
now
day,
it's the court which is decided. If you think it's wrong, you should appeal.
Okay.
But you and I can't start arguing whether you are right or I'm right.
Okay, I'm giving an example that we publicize HNLC court band, you have requested the media. Sorry, you have requested the court. The next day, headman called a public meeting. All the shops were closed. If it was Bandh, what did you do?
I'll tell you.
Is it because of media did not announce anything?
You are taking it personally, Joseph. It's not to do with you or it's not to do with the headman. It's to do with an organization like HNLC.
Okay.
One is not saying the media should not be picking up on issues which affect the people. I am not saying that at all. In fact, I've told you again and again, please go ahead. And I have never lied to you on that front. However, I'm only talking of organizations like HNLC.
Okay.
I'm not saying KSU. It is to do with unlawful agencies. I don't think it's the ban. Suppose tomorrow KSU saying it, I don't think it comes.
But order has come.
No, it's all.
Order has come. Not thinking and order is coming is here.
Unlawful. At least what I said was organizations like HNLC.
But the order is there.
But that's the court.
Yeah.
I am not the court.
You are instrumental.
So, okay.
HNLC.
Okay, agreed.
You are normalcy.
I agree with you.
But we are doing our duty. You cannot kill the messenger.
Yeah, you still have to go to court.
That we
No,
know.
listen, sir.
You still
Listen,
have to
listen.
that we know.
Why do you want to
We
force
want
me to change?
No. We want to
I am
make you aware about the situation.
I've heard you.
Tomorrow, HNLC comes and put a gun on your head.
I've
You are
heard,
published your
I've
bill.
heard you.
Will you be responsible for that?
I have heard you.
Yeah.
I am just saying, if you are aggrieved, please go. There's a solution. I'm not saying don't do that. Do it. Because you and I can disagree.
If HNLC use social media like Facebook to declare
Yeah.
bans and all, what will you do? Will you move to the court to also ban Facebook?
No, because I believe that can't be done.
Yeah, that
Why?
can't be done.
What they are doing?
No, they are not doing.
66A.
No, it's been withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
It's been withdrawn. You can't do it.
Hmm.
You can't do it. But the aim was not to give publicity to organization like HNLC.